Now, this will be the first named tropical system to impact Southern California in more than 80 years.
And with this storm expected to impact our Pacific coast, why is Hillary being called a hurricane instead of a typhoon? Storm team meteorologist Dave Downey explains why location is everything.
Hillary is heading for California. It won't make landfall as a hurricane, but it's on track to be the first named tropical storm to impact California since 1939. Now, why is Hillary considered a hurricane and other Pacific storms called typhoons? Well, it's not strength. When sustained winds reach 74 miles per hour, that's when a storm can be considered a hurricane or a typhoon. Both hurricanes and typhoons also spin counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere, so there's no meteorological difference between a hurricane and a typhoon. The difference is where the storm is. Of course, we know anywhere in the North Atlantic Ocean, any tropical system, is called a hurricane. But we go to the Pacific. Here's where the difference arises. East of the international date line, you see it there, the green line in the northeastern Pacific Ocean. They're still called hurricanes, but west of that in the Pacific Ocean towards Japan, they're called typhoons. Typhoons are named in a similar way that hurricanes are, through yearly rotating lists of names, but individual countries in Eastern Asia contribute names to those lists, interestingly enough. Now, the last system to cross over the date line, that happened just a couple weeks ago when Hurricane Dora became Typhoon Dora. Dave Downey, CBS 17 News.